Imagine you're driving your car. You press the pedal and it moves. Now think about what's happening under the hood. In a traditional gas car, the engine burns fuel to make the car go. In an electric car, there's no burning, no gas, no exhaust. Instead, it runs on electricity. Today we'll break down how electric cars work compared to gas cars in simple, step-by-step terms. By the end, you'll clearly understand the difference in why EVs are changing the way we drive. Step 1. The engine versus electric motor. In a gas car, the engine is the heart of the vehicle. It burns gasoline to create energy. This energy moves the pistons, which turns the crankshaft and eventually spins the wheels. It's a complex chain with many moving parts. In an electric car, the engine is replaced by an electric motor. Instead of burning fuel, it uses electricity stored in a battery to create motion. Electric motors are much simpler, with fewer moving parts, which means less maintenance. The motor directly spins the wheels, so the car can start moving almost instantly. This is why EVs often feel faster when you press the accelerator. Step 2. The fuel versus the battery. Gas cars run on gasoline or diesel, stored in a fuel tank. You have to refill it regularly at a gas station. The fuel burns inside the engine to create power. Electric cars store energy in a large battery pack, usually lithium-ion. You charge the battery using electricity from a charging station or even a wall socket at home. The battery is like the fuel tank, but it powers the car without combustion. Step 3. Transmission. Simple versus complex. Gas cars use a transmission system to handle power from the engine. This can be manual or automatic. Electric cars usually don't need traditional transmissions. The electric motor can run efficiently across a wide range of speeds. Some EVs use a single-speed gearbox. This is another reason EVs are simpler and smoother to drive. Step 4. Braking and regenerative braking. Brakes work the same way in both cars. Pressing the pedal slows the wheels, but EVs have a special feature called regenerative braking. When you slow down in an electric car, the electric motor acts like a generator. It converts some of the car's motion back into electricity and stores it in the battery. Step 5. Energy efficiency. Gas cars are not very efficient. Only about 20 to 30% of the fuel energy actually moves the car. The rest is lost as heat through the engine and exhaust. Electric cars are much more efficient. Around 80 to 90% of the electrical energy from the battery goes into moving the car. This is why EVs cost less to fuel per mile and are better for the environment. Step 6. Environmental impact. Gas cars produce carbon dioxide and other pollutants every time you drive. Over a lifetime, this adds up to a lot of pollution and contributes to climate change. Electric cars produce no tailpipe emissions. If the electricity used to charge them comes from renewable sources like solar or wind, the car can be almost completely clean. Even when charged from regular power grids, EVs usually cause fewer emissions than gas cars. Step 7. Maintenance differences. Gas cars need oil changes, exhaust repairs, spark plugs, timing belts, and other regular maintenance. There are many parts that can wear out. Electric cars need much less maintenance. No oil changes, fewer moving parts, and regenerative braking means the brakes last longer. That's why EV owners often save money and time on car care.
Step 8. Driving experience.
Gas cars have a familiar feel. You press the gas, hear the engine roar, and shift gears. But this comes with vibrations, noise, and sometimes slower response. Electric cars are quiet, smooth, and responsive. The motor delivers instant torque, so the car accelerates quickly and quietly. Step 9. Charging versus refueling. Gas cars are quick to refuel, usually a few minutes at a gas station. Electric cars take longer to charge, depending on the charger. A home wall socket may take several hours, but fast chargers can give 80% charge in 30 to 40 minutes. Charging infrastructure is improving worldwide, making EVs more convenient every year. You can even plan trips with charging stations along the route. Step 10. Cost comparison. Gas cars often have a lower upfront cost, but higher fuel and maintenance costs over time. Electric cars can be more expensive initially, but electricity is cheaper than gas and maintenance is lower. Over the lifetime of the car, EVs can actually save you money. So, in summary, gas cars burn fuel, have complex engines, and produce emissions. Electric cars run on electricity, have simpler motors, and are cleaner, quieter, and more efficient. They're easier to maintain and offer a smoother driving experience. If you've ever wondered why electric cars are becoming so popular, now you know the basics.
basics. They're not just a trend, they're a smarter, more sustainable way to drive. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss a guide about electric cars. We'll also have more videos breaking down specific parts of EVs, like charging, motors, and braking, step by step.